Good morning. I've got one continued MI, a Denzel early, and we have a unfavorable neuropsychological evaluation, so should be very, very quick. Okay. Is he joining separately? Because I saw his as outpatient, assisted outpatient order. He does have an assisted outpatient order. So basically, since they're probably going to have to file a petition to have him hospitalized since he's not complying and the report says he needs assistance. So early here. Okay. So that's basically all they can do. Okay. Thank you. All right. Thanks, Brittany. The device says Jeffrey Buckley Air. Can you hear me? Unmute the device, please.
I can hear you.
Thank you. May I have the name of the case you're here for today?
Matthew Strothman, Sinai Grace Hospital. Are we first? Because we want to move it to 9:30, if that's possible, because Dr. Shiner will be here at 9:30, if that's okay with you.
Yes, I was advised of that.
Okay.
He wouldn't be able to arrive until after 9:30.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And his entire family, and then you're also going to get an exclusive look at how Amon Ra is bringing American.
Miss Porter, can you hear me? Unmute the device. Thank you. May I have the name of the case you're here for today?
Denzel Early.
Thank you. Your relationship?
This has a son.
Thank you. We'll be with you shortly. The device is in phone number 1260. Can you hear me?
Yes.
May I have your name?
Yes, James Gaunt. G-A-U-T.
One moment.
Mm-hmm.
For Brian Gaunt?
Yes, ma'am.
I am showing that Brian Gaunt has accepted the treatment, so there will not be a hearing today.
Okay. All righty. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Attorney Gaines. I'm showing 3 for you today.
It'll be 2, right? I got Mitchell and Fisher.
What happened with Prof? Ronald.
He deferred.
Can you send me that one?
Yes, I will.
Do that one. Good morning, Attorney Wilson. I'm showing 4 for you today.
Unfortunately, yes.
Good morning.
But I do have good news for Wednesday. I've only got 1.
Great.
Does that count for something?
Absolutely.
Good morning, Brandy. Do you know if your interpreter checked in yet?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Brandy,
Yes.
Wayne County Corporation Counsel, Jane Enright. I just
Good
wanted,
morning.
just wanted to check with you, so we have 8, right?
I'm showing 9.
Well, I just, with
Oh yeah, 8 because of
probes.
Ronald. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct.
Great.
Good morning, Chief. There you are. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Let me know when you are ready, Your Honor.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Absolutely.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, everyone.
Brandy, we just got a refusal for the Rodriguez matter, so I don't know if we need the interpreter anymore.
We just received the letter that she refused to attend.
Correct.
So, Interpreter David, for the Rodriguez matter, she is not attending the hearing this morning, so we will not need an interpreter for this matter.
The interpreter would like to thank the court and the Honorable Judge Braxton for your time.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you
bless
very
you.
much.
All right, Madam Clerk, I'm ready whenever you are, ma'am.
Wayne County Probate Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David Braxton presiding in the matter of Denzel Early.
Can all parties please state their name for the record, beginning with any attorneys, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Jane Enright, Wayne County Corporation Counsel, appearing on behalf of, what hospital are we? Sorry, I don't know the hospital.
Good morning, Ms. Enright.
Good morning. There is no hospital listed, that's why.
Yes, because it's an AOT. And good morning, Your Honor. Jeffrey Freed, appearing, attorney on behalf of Mr. Early. This matter was adjourned, Your Honor, from a previous docket for purposes of doing an IME, as this was a AOT order request. The IME was completed and not favorable for Mr. Early. Given that circumstance, Your Honor, would appear to me they would have to make a determination if they want to file a petition for hospitalization, since he's not complying with this at this time and he's out in the community.
All right.
I would like the objections to also be entered into the record, and if anybody can rebuttal them, that would be perfect.
That's Jessica Lamb, petitioner.
Good morning, Ms. Lamb. 1 second.
If I'm correct, Your Honor, this was for an outpatient only order, no hospitalization.
Correct.
And also, if the court cannot...
One second. Madam Clerk, have you had opportunity to swear everyone?
No. All right, so Ms. Lamb, Ms. Porter, unmute your device. Mr. Early, please raise your right hand. And do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
I do.
Yes, I do.
Thank you all.
All right. All parties, can we go over that again since no one was sworn? Corporation Counsel, proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. Jane Enright, appearing on behalf of the hospital, which, Mr. Freed, what hospital is? Oh, he's AOT, I'm sorry.
He's AOT, so there's no hospital. And again, for the record, Your Honor, the court requested the IME because he was not complying with treatment. Dr. Huby did that evaluation on September 20th. I've had a chance to review the report, which the court may have. Dr. Huby indicated Mr. Early continues to present impaired insight and poor judgment, and continues to require is in need of mental health treatment. But as this is an AOT order request, Your Honor, not a petition for hospitalization, would appear that if they wish to go forward, they would need to do that.
All right.
Since he's,
go ahead, Mr. Freed. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he's not compliant, Your Honor.
Okay. Counsel, Corporation Counsel, any comment?
Well, I think we have to proceed with the doctor testifying.
All right. I've had an opportunity to review Dr. Huby's report, and Dr. Huby's report, the conclusion, or I'm just reading just a portion of it. It is the opinion, excuse me, it is the opinion of this examiner that Mr. Early is in need of court order mental health treatment Mr. Early presents with chronic mental illness, non-compliant, loose associations, irrational thinking, and bizarre beliefs. Mr. Early continues to present with impaired insight and poor judgment. He cannot safely, reliably, and consistently handle instrumental activities of daily living related to his mental health. It is the opinion of this examiner that Mr. Early is in need of court-ordered mental health treatment. All right.
I don't know if
I have a rebuttal.
if the clinical recommendations have been placed on the record. Ms. Lamb, you want to talk about that?
Yes, we wanted to ensure that Mr. Early could engage with recommended treatment. At this time, we would recommend evaluation. I'm not sure if hospitalization is necessary, but medication treatment, we believe, would be an important part of his ongoing treatment.
So, Ms. Lamb, can you be a little bit more specific as to when you say only medication treatment, what else would you like as far as his treatment ongoing so that we can make sure he's being provided everything he will need to be successful?
Mr. Early is already aligned with an ACT and assertive community treatment team, so we try to meet with him weekly. We have no intention of changing that level of care for him at this time, so it can be included in the order. And as part of that, he would receive therapy, case management, peer support services, nursing, doctor services at least monthly and as needed.
That's what I was trying to get you to say, so because it's being recorded. Yeah. Also, do you know which ACT team he's with?
He is with Hagera Health.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Was it Mr. Early that came up that said he wanted to play something on the record?
Yes, I would like for the objections that were entered into the record with carbon copies sent to Judge Bolden and also Representative Abaje out there in Minnesota, and also other cooperatives. As far as their rebuttal, who's acting as plaintiffs in this case. And also, if it's not recommended, then I would say, can this be moved to Supreme Court or also appellate court?
And you said you wanted something sent to Judge Bolden?
No, I carbon copy her the dockets that I sent you all through the email, through probate service.
Who is Judge Bolden?
She's a Supreme Court judge.
Where?
Lansing, for the state of Michigan.
Oh, okay. All right.
So we have received some court records from the Eastern District of Michigan in terms of the Attorney General Office. They closed their review on some complaints that he made against Hagera. Also
send notarizations.
For lack of sufficient evidence to pursue criminal prosecution. We received that, and it is on September 17th. We also received something about a guardianship, which he does not have a guardianship through Wayne County Probate Court. So we have that information as well. That case was against Hagera Health in the city of Detroit. And it also says that it was dismissed.
What was dismissed?
His objection to petition for appointment of guardian or conservator, which he never had. He hasn't had one with us, so.
I sent in objection orders. It was a WCPC 260 form.
Right, that's what I just read.
I sent a number of them. So.
Well, I see two. But I don't know if this is the court, because we're only for civil commitments.
But I also have notarizations that should be honored. So I have an affidavit of fact. I also have a health care directive.
Well, again, we don't have that. We just have the two objections that you sent. One was for petition for appointment of guardian and conservator.
I have receipt that it was sent. And I also have a response from Yoon, who's the BHU.
I am the BHU.
Okay. Well, I sent the number of them. I have a receipt of them in my email. So.
Is there anything else for the court? Thank you, Ms. Jones. I'm sorry, what did you say, Mr. Free?
Nothing, Your Honor.
That's, Your Honor, if Mr. Early would like to pursue, we do not have to list Higuera as the only provider. I think the services are important, but if Mr. Early, he can still do agency of choice. So we can leave the provider off of the order so that he could pursue a change in provider if that would make him more comfortable.
That would be obstructive to my voter rights, so I wouldn't necessarily prefer that. So.
And so, because Detroit Wayne is the primary insured health provider, they can assist with that transition because they all have to oversee the order. So, Mr. Early, I would urge you allow Detroit Wayne to assist you with getting you to an appropriate provider that can provide the services that you that's ordered in your court order, so that you can adhere to them. Okay.
Okay. I also have my own life insurance too. So.
Okay, that has nothing to do with the civil commitment. We're really concerned about your treatment, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to advise that this petition is for assistant outpatient treatment only, and that the time frame for the treatment is 180 days. So I wanted that to be noted on the record for this type of order.
Okay. So you say it's for AOT and
outpatient only.
And it's for 180 days?
That is correct.
Okay. So noted. Thank you all.
Welcome.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, does that conclude Mr. Early's case?
Yes.
But I'm sorry, repeat that for me?
I said, does that conclude Mr. Early's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
I apologize to the court, Your Honor. My computer is freezing. Just one moment for the next case.
Oh, sure.
All right, we're done with Mr. Early. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir.